So today I want to talk about how I justify to myself spending $64 on my everyday foundation and why, if you're considering splurging on one thing in your makeup bag, it should be your foundation. I'm currently using Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. And if you watch a lot of makeup tutorials, you already know about her. All of my makeup artist friends swear by this, and I'm jumping on the bandwagon. It is so good. So let me explain to you why I can justify spending that $64 on this foundation and using it as an everyday go-to. Number one, mental state. For me, makeup is actually a really mental thing. I'm more productive, more efficient and focused with work. I just feel more confident throughout the day and feel like I'm taking care of myself on the days that I put on makeup. My makeup routine is part of my morning ritual and honestly just helps prepare me to just like kill it with whatever comes my way. Foundation is the most important aspect of my makeup routine, and honestly once I apply it and look in the mirror and see like clear, healthy looking skin, it just makes me feel like I've got my life together. That being said, I don't mind splurging on foundation because I know that once I apply it, every day it makes me feel like I'm just giving myself a little treat, like I'm taking care of myself, and it also helps make whatever other makeup I put on look more expensive too. The second reason why I don't mind splurging on foundation is performance. Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation literally feels more like a gel moisturizer or like a serum. When it goes on, it doesn't feel heavy and it just immediately makes your skin look super radiant and healthy. What I love most about it is it gives you that model skin. I don't know if you noticed, but you know, in magazines, on models or on the top models, you know, on Instagram, their makeup never looks too heavy or cakey. It just looks like they wake up with perfect skin. They look hydrated, but you can still see like natural freckles. They just have a nice even tone. And that's the look Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation gives you. It's just more supermodel and less cakey. Third, aesthetics and lifestyle. Aesthetics have become really important to me, partially I think because of my job, and then partially just because I really enjoy filling my home and environment with beautiful things that make me feel happy and feel elevated. The packaging of the Luminous Silk Foundation it just fits my vibe perfectly, like everything down to the colors, the shape of the bottle. It's just so pretty. It looks beautiful on my vanity. And let's be honest, we love our makeup more when it comes in pretty packaging. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what I use to prep my skin before foundation, what primer I love best with this foundation, and how to best apply it. So let's get started. I've already cleansed with Clarins Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser to remove any dead skin cells from my face and neck. Before applying foundation, I'm going to prep and prime with Cover FX Blurring Primer. The Armani Luminous Silk Foundation isn't full coverage, which is why I think this primer is the perfect complement. It does the job of hiding and blurring large pores so the foundation can glide on smoothly over it. Now we're ready for foundation. I always apply Luminous Silk with a beauty blender that's only very slightly damp so you can really make the most of your product. I'm going to work in the foundation by pressing directly into my skin and making short, twisting motions with my hand to really just make sure everything is super blended together. I love the feeling of this foundation as I'm applying it. Like I mentioned earlier, it just feels really smooth, not heavy and sticky at all, and immediately makes my skin feel so much more hydrated. I'm also happy with how perfectly it matches my natural skin tone, which makes it easy to blend into my neck and jawline. Sephora makes it really simple for you to find your perfect match by using their shade finder, which will find the right shade in any new foundation based on a shade you currently wear in another foundation. They also have a super wide range in shades and are inclusive of all skin tones, so anyone and everyone will be able to find a shade to match them. Okay, so getting back to my Armani Luminous Silk here, I love how this looks. It's just super natural, really glowy. It gives you that no makeup look, which just makes you look effortless. Next, it's concealer. This is my other best friend. I'm using NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, which complements this foundation really nicely. I put it on pretty heavy under my eyes to fully cover my dark circles, then around my nostrils to cover any broken capillaries and redness. I'm also going to use this on any blemishes or dark spots, then blend in again with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to quickly fill in my brows with Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I love this because it's just super easy to define, fill, and brush out your brows to perfection. Then add a little mascara. I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara that gives you very full but feathery, bold lashes. Next, I'm gonna get in and warm up my skin and create a little light contour with Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer Perfect Tan on my cheeks, nose, chin, and forehead. Then I'm gonna add a little pop of color with the Jouer Bouquet d'Amour Blush Palette, and I'm gonna combine the shades Marigold and Kiss Me. I like to finish off with Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water to lock in the look. When I'm going for a dewy, natural face, I like to set with a finishing mist rather than a powder. I love this foundation, you guys. I think it just makes my skin look super glowy, dewy, luminous. It just makes me feel pretty. I love it. My skin feels healthy in it too. I can move my face. I can smile and not feel like my face is gonna crack. I just love this foundation for so many reasons. I highly recommend you trying it. So I'm gonna leave the link in my description box below. Also on Sephora, they have a shade finder and it will help you find your exact shade. That's how I got this one. I used another foundation shade and found the perfect match. I'm also going to put a link in my description box for the foundation quiz so you can also kind of find out what other foundations might work for you. I highly recommend you going into the store too, get a few samples of different things you like, wear them, see which foundation wears best on your skin throughout the day, and splurge, make the investment. I think it's worth it, especially like I said for foundation. It is the most important item in your makeup bag, kind of just like sets the tone for the rest of your makeup, and it makes you feel like you're treating yourself. And your skin is important, guys. So you want to spend your money on quality product that's not going to damage your skin, not going to lead to more skin concerns that you'll have to cover up. And that's something that I love about this foundation. My skin never feels heavy, weighted down, clogged from it. I love it. I hope you guys find your perfect match. If you have any questions at all, ask them in the comments below. I will be sure to get back to you, to as many of you as possible. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you guys next time. And as always, thanks for watching. I love you guys.